Hey friends, if you wish to crop images using Microsoft PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So with Microsoft PowerPoint here, I will add an image. Okay, I'll add it on this device. And let's say that I'll pick this image. Okay, I may have another image on the desktop, this cute dog. I will insert it, and I have this cute dog here. And now as soon as I select this picture, not when the picture is not selected, but when it's selected, another additional tab comes up which is read as picture format. So one is that I can use the usual crop tool, okay, and the second one is that I can click on this drop down menu and I can select crop to shape, and I can choose a certain shape to crop. You see the magic about it. Okay, I can also do it as an oval and see how this cute dog is fit here. And then I can also select a certain aspect ratio. Okay, if I want to change it, though this is quite a weird one. And I can also fill the remaining area, or I can fit it accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.